Does the inside of your home seem so boring and dull that you have considered moving out of your own house? If you answered that question with a yes, then you must be in deep trouble. Well, don't think too fast because there is a solution to your problem. There is no need to move out of your own home. According to Sherry Hiller and Matt Fox, designers on HGTV, there are three major steps in creating a successful interior design to a house. First is to focus on the function of the room. Next is to add mood that matches the function of the room. And last is to add a burst of your own personality to the room. I chose to speak about interior design because I have considered it for a side job or hobby when I grow up. I have had many family and consumer science and art classes that have introduced me to the basics of interior design. Throughout this speech, you will learn how to add all three of the qualities of interior design to your home. 1. Function, 2. Mood, and 3. Personality. Although there are many steps to creating a successful interior design to your home, you have to take them one step at a time, starting with the function of the room. According to the 3 principles of interior design, the first major step in creating the best design for the inside of your home is to focus on the function of the room. The first step in creating the proper function of a room is to make sure that there is a focal point. The focal point is the part of the room that immediately catches the eye. Most of the attention will be drawn here. Common focal points include a fireplace, a large window, or maybe even a bookcase. If your room does not have any of these things, then you can create your own focal point by purchasing a large area rug or hanging up a colorful piece of art on the wall. The second step is to select the furniture that will best suit the function of the room. If the furniture that you have selected isn't working quite right for the function, you can switch it for a different piece that will fit the function of the room. The third step is to select the lighting in the room. Lighting plays a vital role in the visual appeal of the room. For example, if it is a room that is used for reading, then a form of direct lighting should be chosen, such as a lamp. If the room is going to be used for watching television, then a form of non-direct lighting can be chosen. The last step in creating the proper function of a room is to prepare and select a furniture arrangement. It is helpful to make a design on graph paper to organize your ideas. While making this diagram, the electrical outlets and vents should be kept in mind so that you can put the furniture around them. Next, measure the furniture and place it on the diagram, making sure that the main pieces are facing the focal point of your room. Along with making sure that the function of the room is appropriate, you should also set the mood of the room. Sherry Hiller says that the second major step that you should take in creating an interior design to your home is to set the mood of the room by choosing what colors, patterns, and pieces of furniture that you would like to use. The first step in creating the proper mood of your room is to choose an inspiration. The inspiration that you choose can come from something as small as the design on your shirt to recreating a picture out of a magazine. The next step is to give the room a theme name. Make sure that your theme name is very descriptive and choose colors and patterns that would go well with the theme. This theme should come from your inspiration piece. It is best to choose 3 colors that go into your room. The first color is called the dominant color, which will go all over your walls. Second color is the secondary colors, which will be used for the patterns that occur throughout the room. And the third color is called the accent color, which is used very little to bring a little bit of excitement into your room. Next, choose the patterns that will go into your room. The patterns chosen should support the theme. It is acceptable to have more than one pattern as long as you keep 3 things in mind. 1. Keep the background color the same. 2. Make sure that the patterns share the same colors. And 3. Vary the size of the patterns. According to Interior Design Basics, you should make sure to vary the textures in the room because if you use too much of one texture, it can become tiresome to the eye. The last step in creating a good mood to your room is to make sure that the furniture matches the theme. If the furniture doesn't quite match the theme, then you can purchase slip covers that can be placed over the furniture to match the theme. Creating a mood in a space and giving it personality go hand in hand. According to HGTV.com, the last step in creating a successful design for the inside of a home is to give it personality. Accessorizing the room plays an important part in creating personality. Accessories that are added to the room should go along with the theme, but it is okay to be a little more flexible on this. Adding a few picture frames, pillows, rugs, and vases will spice up the room a little bit. You can place these accessories in any place that you want, including the walls, end tables, or even the mantle. Another way to add spice is to add accessories that are unexpected in the room, such as painting the ceiling a bright color or adding an old family quilt. Creating the interior of a home can be challenging, but with these steps, it can be made a little bit easier. In conclusion, interior design can be challenging. The three major steps in creating a vibrant interior design are to focus on the function, mood, and personality of the room. Take a look around the room you are in right now. Does it have all of the qualities? If not, then you should take these helpful tips and bring them to action. They can change your home as well as your life.